Hi guys, welcome to the newest series in human history. We're gonna make repairs and toys till I have a chance to go to France. March 16th, 2026. So, let's start. First one off is this lobby gun. Let's go! Scanning. What the fuck Passage. That's what I'm gonna do. God dang. Yeah, here's a really issue. Here's a gonna stay up there. Let's just put this quickly. Oh my god! But not even a smooth thing. Bam! Ay! But look at the way that this makes sense. 3, 2, 3. Okay. I prefer green stuff. We're good! That's the first toy though. Lots of exit before I break some.